Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Cadillac CTS. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder with 310 horsepower and 350 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. Black leather interior, sunroof. Coming on the back, CT4 all-wheel drive, 350 badging. Tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats. Keyless entry. Memory seats, Bose sound system, power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. Rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This CTS has 80,037 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Cadillac CTS, visit us at feldmannimports.com.